Hello, everybody. My name is Beryl, and I will be presenting on the Medibot. Medibot is a robot that assists nurses to administer medications to patients in urgent care. Now, Medibot can be remote controlled by a nurse. For movement, I have DC motors to control the wheels so that the robot can move forward, back, left, and right. I do have a remote right here that the nurse can control. On my remote, if 1 is pressed, it will move forward. If 2 is pressed, Medibot will turn right. If 3 is pressed, Medibot will go backwards. If 5 is pressed, Medibot will turn left. Now, all of this will depend on the distance detected. That is why incorporated on my Medibot is 2 distance sensors, one in the front and the other one in the back. Now, if Medibot detects an object closer than 10 inches, it will come to a stop. And if Medibot does not detect an object within 10 inches, it will keep moving. So I'm going to demonstrate that. So I'm going to move my Medibot forward. So it's moving forward. And if an object is detected, it will come to a stop. Now, if the object is further than 10 inches and I try to move it, Medibot will move. Now, Medibot has an LED light that will blink when Medibot is moving, as you can see. I'm going to move Medibot forward, and you will see the LED light blinking. Now, I also included a force sensor. Medibot has a robotic arm that will administer medications. To administer medications properly, a force sensor is included. When force is applied, meaning when medication is still on the robot's hand, the Medibot will not move. This will allow the patient to pick up medication from the arm, and after pickup, there will be no force, therefore it can move. I'm going to demonstrate that. So I'm going to start it. I'm going to move the Medibot forward. If force is detected, the Medibot will come to a stop, and the Medibot will not move. Now, if I remove that force and I move it forward, the Medibot will move. I also have a microserver to control the robotic hand and the movements. Thank you so much for joining. That is all on my Medibot. Have a good day.